start.
Yeah.
Now, Jesse, can you whistle really loudly? Hey, wait. After the heat turns on. Turn it on. But this one.
Is this one going?
Yes.
Yeah.
Going.
You use sound to do
Yes.
Wow.
So now it's time to whistle.
Good.
Okay, let's go. This doesn't go really fast. There must be wind.
Yeah.
Okay, but the other directions are fine.
This is a developing drum. We're not.
Yeah.
It's not a racing
It's
drum?
not like a racing
It's
drum.
not a racing drum. And it's made for mapping, so you have to get used to the low speed.
Okay, this was I'm doing full throttle there, but it doesn't really go. I can't really go there. I wanna go further. Come on. Okay, I have to go down. You see, I'm having full throttle here, but I cannot move it over there.
Aha.
Can we do like? It's okay. Still recording?
Still recording, but it's just barely now in the scene.
Ah, okay. Well, anyway, I will do what I can. It's fine.
I mean, this is our step.
Sure, I understand. I just
A lot of
need to know what I'm working with. So. Okay, I'll try one a little bit higher. Okay, can I land now?
yeah. You can just hit this one automatic landing. You will just land back already. No. That's the base station. Yeah. I would prefer just land back.
Sure, you go ahead. You can stop it.